How to get Sephora free samples. In order to get free samples from Sephora, you can follow up these steps. So head over to the website of Sephora and you can shop online. So browse through Sephora's website, look out for the product that you may want to purchase and add it to your cart. After you have added to your cart, you can just go ahead with the process of checkout. Look out for the bucket option in the top right corner of your screen, and once you tap on it, you will be taken to the checkout page. Like, you will be finding a list of orders with which you can check out. So before checking out, you may just go ahead and scroll down, or while you check out, you will be prompted to select two free samples from the list of available options. So just go and look out for the available options that you may want to add as a free sample, and look for products with a try me badge. This comes with a matching sample you can try before committing to a full size support product. And if you can just head over and follow the steps and get Sephora free samples. If you're in stores, you can just go ahead and try a specific product, ask us for our associated if they can provide up a sample, and that's it. So therefore, you may follow up the steps if you'd like to get free Sephora free samples. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.